Hi there, hi guys, welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle on Sunday. Yes, well, actually, the last puzzle in this additional, it's not in today's or yesterday's newspaper of Saturday. Look, Saturday, May the 7th, 2022. Today is actually May the 8th. 2022, and on Sunday we don't receive any newspaper, so I've decided to solve the edition of Tuesday, May the 1st, 2022, and I've already solved these three puzzles, the 1 star, the 2 stars, and the binary, and it's time now for the tectonic. Yes, tectonic with 1 star. And this will be number 4524. 4524. Alright. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 14 printed digits. Could be an hard one, could be an easy one. But for a 1 star, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. We will see. So let's get started. Alright, first question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. Here single box, there single box. Single boxes are always a 1. Dual boxes, do we have dual boxes here? I see here a dual box. There, dual box, 2 dual boxes, contains the 1 and the 2. We see here 1, so this box cannot be a 1 anymore. That box will be a 1 and this box will be a 2. These 2 boxes, I do not know. Let me mark those 2 boxes. I do not know in which order. Alright. Triple boxes then. Do we have triple boxes in this puzzle? I see here triple box. There, triple box contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, this box cannot be a 3, so the 3 could be here. Could be there. And the 1 and 2 could be everywhere. And when you see a triple box, remember that the inside box, this is the inside box, the box near the middle box, is always 4 or a 5. Well, it cannot be a 5 anymore. We have a 5 in this area, so this box should be a 4. All right, same for here. The triple box contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. I do not know in which order, so I cannot place the numbers. But when you see the box near the middle box, this is the middle box, the box near the middle box, this box can only be 4 or a 5. Well, we already have a 5 there, so it can't be 5 anymore. This box should be a 4. Alright, triple box. Then the quadra boxes. Do we have quadra boxes in this puzzle? I see here only 1 quadra box in an L shape. When you see a quadra box in an L shape, the inside box, this is the L shape, the inside box is always a 5. Always a 5, okay? So those 2 numbers in this L-shaped quadra box should be the 1 and the 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 1 and 4. Okay, only 1 quadra box. Then the following strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, structures, or constructions. For example, we have here the S or the Z construction. If you flip this figure, then you will get a Z and rotate it, yes. Well, let me draw the Z here, or the S construction. We see the S construction. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also, that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Okay. Only 1 S or Z construction. Then the following shape. How about this shape? This shape. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. Okay, so this box has the same number as that box. Alright. Only one shape. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this here. We see the L shape. This is upside down, the L shape. We remember that this box has the same name as that box. So this box has the same name as that box. Then the following shape. How about this shape then? This shape, let me draw this here. When you see this kind of shape, we remember that this box has the same name as that box. So in this case, it's a 5. Alright. A 5. Do we have more of this kind of shape? No, but we have one shape left. This shape, this one. Let me draw this here. When you see this kind of shape, we remember that this box has the same name as that box. So in this case, it's a 1. Okay. It's a 1. And those shapes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have here 5 shapes that you need to recognize. In this puzzle, only 5. The maximum 6, but not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 5 that you need to recognize. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize. Why you need to recognize is the question. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here. The 4 goes there. Now we have a 4 there. So this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And this box should be a 1. These 2 boxes can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. Then this box can be a 2. That box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 5. 3 and 5, we have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 3 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 5. This box can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 3 and the 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 3 and 4, 3 and 4. Okay, these 3 boxes surround the 2 can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 5. Those 2 boxes can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. And I've eliminated the 2. So the 2 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 4. We have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here. The 4 goes there. Now we have a 3 there. So this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 4. Okay, this box can be a 2. That box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 4. 1 and the 4, we have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 1 goes there. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 2. 1 and 2, we have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here. The 1 goes there. Then this box can be A1, that box can be A1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 3. 2 and the 3, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 3 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 1. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 1 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes. As a pair, 1 and 3, 1 and 3. 2 numbers left now in this area for numbers 2 and the 4. 2 and the 4, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 2 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there, and I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. 1 box left in this triple box for number 2. Right. How about these 2 boxes? Can be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that box cannot be a 1 anymore because we have a double 1 here. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Here we have also 2 boxes left in this area for numbers 1 and the 4. 1 and the 4, let me mark those 2 boxes. That means that box cannot be a 1 anymore. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So it's not a solution to place the 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be there. And I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. 2 boxes left in this area for numbers 4 and the 5. Well, I cannot place the 4 here. We have a double 4 there. If I place a 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 4 should be here and the 5 goes there. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4 and this box should be a 1. These 3 boxes can be a 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 1, those 2 boxes can be 1, so the 1 goes together with the 3 as a pair. 3 and 1, 3 and 1, and this box is connected with that box, so we so 3 and the 1. Well, we have a double 1 here. That means that box cannot be a 1 anymore. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 1 should be here and the 3 goes there. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. Okay, 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2. The 3 is missing, the 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 3 goes there. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 4. 2 and the 4, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there, and this box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. 2 numbers left in this S construction or Z construction for the numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this triple box for numbers 1 and the 2. 1 and a 2. Cannot fill this yet. 1 and a 3. 1 and a 2. We have a 2 now, so no 2 there. Overlooked. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Now we have a 1 there, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. And this box should be a 3. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 2. Finish in 40 minutes. Told you faster than 50 minutes I need for a 1-star tectonic or puzzle, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists. Playlist for the Tectonic, playlist for the binaries, playlist for the 1 star, for the 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars. Sudokus, I have a playlist also for the heavy, the medium, the light, the killer, and also for the samurai Sudokus, aka quintuplet. All kind of puzzles of Sudokus, I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe, and you will find them all those playlist that you want. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Sunday. Well, and I will publish in one of these days all those data that I've collected in 10 weeks. Maybe you can see a pattern, maybe I can see a pattern. And yeah, see you tomorrow on Monday. Until then, bye bye for now.